Live ako magta-transfer ng BNB coin from my Gcrypto account going to Binance Wallet. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. One of my subscriber ay nagtatanong kung paano raw mag-transfer ng coins from Gcrypto going to Binance Exchange Wallet. For that, live ako magta-transfer ng BNB coin from my Gcrypto account going to Binance Wallet. But before that guys, kapag bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do subscribe, likes, and share my video and hit the bell icon below para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong video ko. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa GCash wallet. So tap lang natin tong view all. And then hanapin natin yung Gcrypto na icon. Then tap. Then wait lang natin while it's loading. As you can see guys, I have a BNB asset. The value is 0.1759. So ngayon ay uubusin natin yan, ita-transfer sa Binance Wallet. Tap lang natin tong logo ng BNB. And then meron kayong makikita dyan na arrow up and arrow down. So tap natin yung arrow up na send since na magta-transfer tayo ng coins. And then enter natin yung amount. For my case ay uubusin natin lahat to. So imamax lang natin. And then enter natin yung address. So puntahan natin yung Binance Wallet para i-copy yung address ng Binance. So this is the homepage of Binance Wallet. So tap lang natin to sa baba yung wallet na icon. And then tap natin tong spot. And then look for the BNB asset. Then tap the BNB logo. As you can see guys, I have a 0.91 na BNB. In dollars, it's $200.98. Sa baba, meron kayong makikita na withdraw and deposit. So tap lang natin yung deposit. And then merong tatlong network. So itatap lang natin tong sa taas. Itong BNB Smart Chain BIP20. So this is my wallet address of my BNB. So tap lang natin tong dalawang libro na icon para makopy natin yung address. And then go back tayo sa Gcrypto. Paste natin yung address. Make it sure guys na yung address is tama. So bibigyan ko kayo ng tips para kung paano i-double check yung wallet address. I-double check nyo lang yung first 3 characters ng wallet address nyo and then yung last 3 characters. Yung last characters is 7D6. So confirm natin sa Binance Wallet. 7D6. And then the first 3 characters, 0xD. Confirm natin ulit. 0xD. So tama. Ngayon, proceed na natin. The network fee is 0.0005. So kapag i-convert natin to sa peso, it's just around 6 pesos lang naman. Then tap the checkbox. And then tap the send BNB. So there's a confirmation. You're about to send the BNB 0.1754. So tap lang natin tong button sa baba. So ngayon ay nagre-required ng confirmation code. So check natin yung email address. The code 886127. And then submit code. Alright, successful na po yung transfer natin. So we are processing your send request. So back lang natin. Check natin kung meron pa bang value yung BNB natin. Itap lang natin tong see more. Asset ko na BNB ay 0 na. So ibig sabihin na i-transfer na yung coin sa Binance Wallet. So ngayon, check natin yung Binance Wallet ko kung nag-reflect na nga ba. Back lang natin. Tap natin tong BNB. Alright, in 1 minute lang, nag-transfer na yung BNB ko na galing sa Gcrypto. I have now $239. So in BNB, it's 1.09. So baba natin, confirm natin yung transaction. As you can see, merong deposit time dyan, August 28, 2023. And then the transfer amount or the value is plus 0.1754. Alright guys, so ganun lang yung pag-transfer ng coins from Gcrypto going to Binance Exchange Wallet. So guys, disclaimer lang, I'm not a financial advisor. So this video is not for financial advice. Please do your own research about cryptocurrency prior to make a decision. If you have any question, please make a comment below of this video. Thank you for watching.